Hello everyone, I'm Ragav Chandrashekar and this is my mother Lalita. We came to know about AMC in the year 2010 when one of our neighbors back in Chennai had ordered for a demo of the product. And at that time I had completely dismissed it as a marketing gimmick because I never thought that one cookware utensil product could have such a huge impact on our health as well as cooking time. And we put it on the back burner. And fast forward to 2022, the pandemic period, my mother was watching YouTube videos and she came across one of the videos in which they used AMC cookware to cook their food, and we decided to take a look at AMC again, and we had asked for a demo of the same product, and we actually got a demo on the M30 range, and I was actually blown out of my mind. I never thought that food cooked in a normal utensil would be so different from food cooked in AMC product. The vegetables retained their color and their taste, and it took drastically less time to cook any vegetable you want. And we decided to order the M30 range of products the very same day. And a week later, we came to this same place to take delivery of the product, and they had just launched the M30s, which is a smart range of the product. And the fact that you could use your phone to control your cooking from anywhere around your house and not just the kitchen blew my mind. You could literally be sitting in your living room, doing your work, and you could also keep an eye out on your cooking. And that was a huge convenience for anyone at this time. And we decided to go for the M30s range immediately. We bought the product, we have been using it for quite a while, and I have got to say that it has changed our living. We use drastically less amount of oil, and cooking time is reduced a lot, which is very important for people who are working like us. Food that used to take 20 minutes to cook, such as chole or rice, takes barely 4 to 8 minutes to cook right now, and we actually get enough time to relax for a while in the morning before we start working. AMC has changed our lives a lot, and I'd recommend AMC M30s product to each and every single household. Thank you.